Speaking of software companies, social media companies experimenting with features, we have Twitter adding their Spaces feature to Android. Android users can now join the platform's Clubhouse-like Spaces. We talked a lot about this. Clubhouse was blowing up. It was like, what are the other social media companies going to do? Twitter comes on the scene with Spaces. They say, yeah, of course we want a piece of that. Everyone's got profiles here anyways. And they first launched the audio chat rooms for iOS, much like Clubhouse did. Now they actually beat Clubhouse to the punch because Android users are still waiting for Clubhouse to get the application over there. And now they can partake on Twitter. However, not with the full feature set yet. So Android users of Twitter Spaces are going to be able to join a pre-existing space, listen in on a pre-existing space, but can't create their very own space for the time being, though that's going to change very soon. And that feature is going to be unlocked for Android as well. So it could give an advantage to Twitter over Clubhouse, an advantage that they've got this other platform support. I don't know what the timeline looks like for Clubhouse, but it's going to be tough. I'm just saying to you, Will, it's now they woke up the couple of big dogs in the social media space. Mm-hmm. And anyway, it's important also to note that they've kind of been testing Spaces. Not everybody has Spaces. It's certain people who have access to Spaces. It's a feature that's been being slowly rolled out. But if you're one of those people that is being granted access, now, like some Android users are going to be brought in right now. But speaking of competition for Clubhouse, Instagram wants a piece of it too.